everyone, today we're going to be doing one of my favorite projects, bird treats. All the measurements and ingredients you can find at craftymonday.com. Enjoy! The first thing we're going to do is, in a large bowl, add gelatin and all-purpose flour. Give it a quick mix. Then add water and corn syrup. Mix everything until it's well combined and try to get rid of any flour lumps. If there's still some lumps, don't worry, it will be fine. Once you mix the seeds, it will break the lumps down. The flour and the gelatin are going to help keep the seeds into your desired shape. Then the water and the corn syrup will help glue the seeds together. When your edible glue is ready, add the bird seeds. I'm using cockatiel bird seeds, but you can use any seeds you like. Just keep mixing until everything is coated. Now we're ready for the fun part. Take twine and cut into small pieces. Just make sure it's long enough to be able to tie the treat. I'm using the first cut as a guide, but remember, you don't have to measure. It does not have to be perfect. Just eyeball it, it's fine. For the log treat, I'm using a bendy straw, like this one. Thread the straw with the twine. Do a light knot so that the twine doesn't come out. Grab some seed dough and place it in a sheet pan. Take the twine and tie a knot to one of the sides. This will help have a little more body for the seeds to stick together. Place the side of the knot on top of the seeds. Then keep adding dough until the twine is all covered. Lightly pat it and start shaping the seeds. This project is perfect to do with young children. You can use the treats to decorate or give as gifts. During Christmas or any holiday, you can even use cookie cutters to shape the seeds. For the log tree, you will do the same thing. You will put some dough in a sheet pan. Then place the straw on the top and cover the straw with the seeds. While covering the straw, make sure to pat it so that the seeds are tight and glued together. For best results, leave the treats to dry overnight. This is how they came out. The ball treats were easier to remove from the pan, but the log was a little harder. To avoid this, you can add a little bit of non-stick spray. I just didn't have any at the time. Meet my little bird Tweety, and she approved this project. Remember, all the measurements and ingredients will be posted at craftymonday.com. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.